Package Protect and Colgate, you're gonna get free soap bag, free giveaway soap bag.
This is the Colgate Health Expo at Morobe Show 2013. Colgate is the major sponsor for the Health Expo, and generally we want to focus in helping Papua New Guineans know about general health, oral health, and personal hygiene. Many NGOs who are also having stalls in here help support the Health Expo and also promote health and other awareness in PNG.
Maristops International.